This is Ibrahim from the Smartweb customer care department, and in this video I want to show you how to sign up for a new account with Smartweb. If this is your first time of visiting Smartweb, this is the process you would follow to sign up for a new account. And so let's begin. Now this tutorial assumes that you know what a domain name is and you know what hosting is. You know the difference between the two, even though they work together. So the first process usually is that of you selecting your domain name if you don't have it registered yet. And you can begin by entering it into this field here and checking to see whether it's available. So let's pretend that this is my domain name. Once you enter it, including the extension, click on search domain name. You will then be brought to this page where you'll be told whether or not your domain name is available. For example, you can see here it says congratulations, abctutorials.ng is available, and right under it you have how much it would cost. So if this is the domain name you want to use and it is available, all you need to do is click add to cart. Then you click on checkout. Then you're brought to a page where it shows information about your domain name and whether or not you are hosting. As you can see, there's a red notice here that says no hosting. Click to add. So if you don't have hosting yet, you can click on this red notice to be able to add hosting to your domain name. So we click on it now. These are the various shared hosting plans that we have available here at Smartweb. You can select a suitable package. Alternatively, you can look at the other types of hosting we have. We have reseller hosting, we have Windows hosting, we have dedicated servers, alongside with other products and services we provide. Now, the Linux shared hosting is the cheapest hosting category that we have. And so if you are just starting, you probably should begin with one of the shared hosting plans. And so you have them laid out for you here, and you pick a suitable package. And let's say, for example, you're picking the smallest package that gives you 10 gigabytes of web space and 60 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth. That is the first package we have there as a standard package. All you need to do is click on order now. Of course, the system recognizes that you have a domain name inside of your shopping cart, and so it is asking whether you want to use that domain name or a different domain name. So you can register yet another domain name again, or transfer your domain name from another registrar, or even use the domain name that is with another registrar alongside your hosting here with Smartweb. You have all of those options available to you. But since we're registering both the domain name and the hosting with Smartweb, we can just use the domain name already in our shopping cart. So let's click on use. Then we have an order summary of everything that we have in our cart, alongside other services that we can buy to enhance what we've currently selected inside of our shopping cart. You can go through it carefully to see what they are and what benefits you get from using them. But for this tutorial, let's pretend you're not adding anything. You just click on continue. Here is also another interface providing you related services that have to do with domain names. Both services are free, so you can add them or you can choose to ignore them. But whether or not you select them by clicking on the checkbox next to the names of the services, you can click on continue. So this is the final page that gives you a summary of everything that you have and how much everything is going to cost, including the additional services you selected before you got to this page, if at all you made any such selection. So you have the total on the right and you have a list of the services in the middle. If this reflects what you want to actually purchase, you can just click on checkout, and then you will be brought to a page where you can fill in your information that will be used to create your account. Please fill in your accurate information and understand that the email address you fill in here and the password you fill down here would be what you would use to log into your client account here on Smartweb. So take note of the email address and the password that you use on this page. Once you're done with your information, you can select how you want to make payment for the services you have selected, and then you agree to the terms of service and then you click on complete order. Then an invoice will be generated for you. That is how you sign up for a new account with Smartweb. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you in the next video.